my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie, and today I just wanted to give you guys a nude cut crease. That could be something for a date night, or like, you know, New Year's Eve is coming up and I totally forgot what that is, and I'm distracted by my daughter. If you hear anything moving on the floor, that's her playing with my stuff down there, but anything to keep her busy. And I think she's about to hit my camera. Brooklyn, hi. So yeah, oh my goodness, I just remember doing this with my son when he was this age. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, I wanted to do a nice simple nude cut crease, and I was just like, you know what, I'm feeling nudie today, so let's just wake up and do this. Like literally, that's like the first thing I did besides feed my kids, is wake up and do this. So I did it with the Morphe 3503 palette. She's getting ready to touch my makeup. No, baby. No, baby. No, baby. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to do something fun with this palette, and I haven't had a chance to really play with it that much. And everyone knows that the 02 palette is my favorite. Oh my gosh, no! You're moving stuff! So yeah, that is actually my favorite palette. So I figure why not give this one a chance, because, you know, I love some basic colors, because, you know, my palette every day is not vibrant and bright all the time. It's actually stuff like this. And this eyelash is like completely wrong. Why? So yeah. No, baby. That's a okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. She can open drawers now. So yeah. So as always, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're returning, thank you, my loves, for returning back with me. Thank you for being so patient while I was gone, because motherhood actually got the best of me, and being a newly diabetic got the best of me as well. So right now, I pretty much got it all figured out at the most point, you know. So, and check out my new vlog channel. It goes through my day-to-days. I think I will actually post... No, it's glitter! Thank you. Let me just put my foot right there. I think I will post one of my vlogs on this channel just to show you guys what I do on a day-to-day basis, especially with the fact that now I have a kids custom line that I'm doing, and the fact that, you know, I'm with my kids, so, and my diabetes and things like that. So, oh God, she's so smart. So, without any further ado, I hope you guys like this look. So, here it goes, you guys.